chicken tonight, guys.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Cantonese food recipes. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a garlic fried chicken. So if you see on my previous videos on my channel, you always see I'm making the garlic fried chicken wings, but this time we're gonna use a full chicken, guys, to make garlic fried chicken. Very easy. You can see you gotta get your drumsticks, wings, your chicken breast, like the full chicken here, guys. So yeah, this recipe is gonna be tasty. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make this. I won't be cutting a lot of clip from this video, so this video might be long because I want to show you guys the exact process. Very easy and simple. You can follow along, and then yeah, you'll get the idea of how to make this delicious Cantonese fried chicken or KFC. Yeah, starts with a C, guys, not a K. So yeah, anyways, let me start to show you guys how to make this recipe. Okay guys, so as you can see over here, got my chicken here. It weighs about 1.2 kgs over here. This delicious chicken. So this was a frozen chicken. No, it's fresh, guys, but frozen, you know, in the supermarkets. I just defrosted and yeah, cleaned it. Then yeah, let's cut this chicken up, guys. So see how I'm gonna cut this chicken. So here it's the front of the chicken here. Okay, we're gonna slice it in half here first. Pinch it down here. Opened up the chicken. Okay, the chicken's not clean, as you can see. You can see all the hearts and all that stuff. We need to clean this up first. So I'm going to clean this up and then I'm going to come back to the camera here. Okay, so I just cleaned the chicken. As you can see, all that crap is out. It's organs and stuff. So then let's cut the chicken now. Okay, so when you're cutting the chicken, I think it's best to flip it around here. Yeah, then we can see which pieces we like. You can see here. So we're gonna cut the chicken here. I think I'm gonna slice its back first here. So slice it in half like this. Then over here, also slice it here. Okay, cut it into 4 pieces here.
لو ودك تواصلك ما يوقف، جو 90 سوشيالها لا محدود مع 30 جيجا بيانات و500 دقيقة.
First cut it into 4 pieces. Now cut it here. I always like to tap it a little bit here and then I whack it hard. Okay, this is a good chicken drumstick over here. Check that out. Nice size. Making some good Cantonese fried chicken with sized pieces. Check that out. Good sized pieces, guys. You don't want tiny pieces. This is not a chicken wing recipe. Okay, this is a wing here. Chicken wings, we leave it as chicken wings. Okay, this is a very big piece here, so you can cut it smaller so that it will fry better. Look at that. Nice pieces. Keep the skin. You know, when you go eat at fried chicken places, you get that crispy skin. This is the skin, guys. So yeah, keep that skin. Okay, over here I can see there's like a big chicken breast over here. You don't need to cut it like me. I'm just showing you guys how I cut it. Chicken breast, we'll cut some small pieces. Because fried chicken, you also get small pieces. Okay, here's another wing. This wing will have a lot of skin on it. Okay, this is a good decent size as well, I think. Gotta leave a little bone with it. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, check that out. Okay, now I'm gonna season it. Okay, this is garlic fried chicken. So first of all, we gotta prepare some garlic first. Get a few cloves of garlic. You can add more if you like it, but it's just a marinade. It will get into the chicken. Let's chop up the garlic here. You guys can grate your garlic. I prefer mine to be chopped up. Well, that's gonna make a very tasty fried chicken. I like Cantonese fried chicken. It's not like all the other Western style fried chicken you get out there. It's very simple Asian ingredients. Like a lot of YouTube videos I see, everyone's like using paprika, cumin, oregano, and all that spices to make fried chicken. Well, this is such a simple, easy recipe. Okay, I'm first going to smash it a bit here. Let those juices of the garlic come out. I'm just going to crush it up more. Okay, it's ready. Here's my delicious chicken here. This garlic there. Okay, as you can see, our garlic is in. Okay, now for the salt. You can see this is the size of the bowl. Salt. Here's a little teaspoon here. We'll put 2 teaspoons. How I know the amount of salt I'm putting, you can see here the size. So I'm just sprinkling it all here, and it went halfway. Then sprinkled another half over here. So it just requires 2 teaspoons of salt. We got ourselves some white pepper. Also just sprinkle all around, make sure the top is all covered with a light sprinkle of white pepper. You don't need too much. Okay, sugar, same as the salt. We'll sprinkle all around. 1, 2, 3, 4. But make sure you can have more sugar, guys. So I put 4 teaspoons of sugar. Okay, next is chicken bouillon powder. Here's 1 teaspoon. chicken bouillon powders like salt, so you don't need too much. I'm gonna add in two teaspoons here. Okay. Okay, first we're gonna wear a glove. Okay, first we're gonna mix the dried up spices into the chicken first. Make sure that all the pieces of chicken is coated with that dry rub. And you can see each piece of chicken is starting to get also that some garlic flavor on for the marinade. Okay, give each piece of chicken a good rub. Okay, next we're going to add in all our wet ingredients. So first I've got some oyster sauce. Also rule of thumb, just drizzle around, but not too much. Drizzle around like this and then to the center. And check that out. I just drizzled it all around and to the center, and that's how you know how much oyster sauce you must put. Next, also we got some sesame oil. We do the same thing, drizzle it all around into the center. A little more, it doesn't matter. And then next, we got some Chinese rice wine. If you don't have Chinese rice wine, you can put in a bit of brandy or something like that, or you don't even need to put in. Just drizzle around. And then next, we're gonna drizzle some olive oil here. Okay, good amount. Okay, usually we will drizzle a bit of soy sauce as well, but I'm gonna leave that out because we already put it in. We already put in 2 teaspoons of salt. So if you add in more soy sauce, it will just make the chicken more saltier, you know, so we're leaving that out. Okay, so now I got 1 egg here. Go crack 1 egg. Okay.
اها كفو انت ما ترد. عارف؟
وش الكيس اللي معك ابو؟
Egg here. Go crack 1 egg. Okay. And then now we got the cornstarch. Also rule of thumb, just to sprinkle the cornstarch all around. That's how you know how much cornstarch you need. So 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, 3 teaspoons, 4 teaspoons. Okay, as you can see, I just sprinkled it all around. That's how you know, because I don't know what kind, how much chicken pieces are you guys gonna be using. So yeah, each marinade is gonna be a little bit different, but it's the same procedure and the same taste. Okay, so now we quickly just gonna mix this up. Just crack that yolk here. Let's mix that up. The cornstarch is gonna fuse all those sauces and spices onto the chicken. So guys, you cut the piece